Welcome to Scout Automobile. We're diving into one of the most exciting revivals in the automotive world, an icon reborn with a bold vision for the future. The 2025 Mazda RX-8 is back, and it's not just a nostalgic nod to the past, it's a reinvention of what a rotary-powered sports car can be in a new era of performance, technology, and sustainable innovation. At first glance, the 2025 RX-8 carries a familiar silhouette, low-slung, sleek, and unmistakably Mazda. But look closer, and you'll see modern touches everywhere. The aggressive front fascia features slim LED headlights and a wider grille, hinting at its performance credentials. Aerodynamic sculpting enhances the car's sleek profile, with new lines designed for efficiency and speed. Mazda's Kodo design philosophy continues to evolve, and on the RX-8, it strikes a perfect balance between elegance and aggression. But what makes this RX-8 truly special is what's under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the skin. Yes, Mazda has brought back the rotary engine, but with a 21st century twist. Instead of relying solely on internal combustion, the 2025 RX-8 features a hybrid rotary setup. A small displacement Wankel rotary engine acts as a generator in a range extender configuration, paired with an electric motor that drives the rear wheels. This innovative system allows Mazda to preserve the spirit of the rotary, its high-revving, lightweight nature, while addressing past issues like fuel efficiency and emissions. The result is a powertrain that delivers an estimated 300 horsepower, with instant torque from the electric motor and the unique, smooth delivery of the rotary engine. Mazda claims a 0 to 60 time of around 5 seconds, making it a true sports coupe contender. More importantly, it handles like a proper RX should. Thanks to a near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution and Mazda's signature lightweight chassis tuning, the RX-8 remains agile and planted, whether you're carving up back roads or taking on a track day. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends tradition with cutting-edge tech. The iconic freestyle rear hinged half doors remain, giving easy access to the rear seats, a hallmark feature that sets the RX-8 apart from typical two-seaters. Mazda has taken care to modernize the interior while keeping the driver-focused layout intact. A fully digital instrument cluster, an updated infotainment system with a crisp OLED display, and minimalist touch controls give the cockpit a futuristic vibe. Materials are premium, with Alcantara, brushed aluminum, and sustainable leather options available. Driver engagement is still at the heart of the RX-8's appeal. You'll find a short-throw 6-speed manual transmission as standard, with an optional 8-speed automatic for those who prefer paddle-shifting convenience. The steering is direct and communicative, aided by Mazda's latest version of G-Vectoring Control Plus, which subtly adjusts engine torque to enhance cornering performance. Whether you're an enthusiast craving precision or a casual driver seeking an emotional connection with the road, the RX-8 delivers. Mazda's commitment to sustainability plays a big role in the RX-8's reintroduction. The rotary engine has been engineered to run on carbon-neutral fuels, and the hybrid system is designed for efficiency without compromising driving fun. Regenerative braking, EV-only city driving mode, and a modular battery pack all contribute to its green credentials. Mazda has made it clear, the RX-8 is about driving enjoyment and environmental responsibility coexisting. Another highlight is customization. Mazda offers a range of factory options, from sport suspension upgrades and lightweight forged wheels to a performance aero package. Enthusiasts can make the RX-8 their own, whether they're weekend warriors or daily drivers. And with limited run editions and rotary heritage models planned, collectors will have something to look forward to as well. In an automotive world increasingly dominated by crossovers and electric SUVs, the return of the RX-8 is a bold move. But for Mazda, it's not just about nostalgia. It's about proving that performance, emotion, and sustainability don't have to be mutually exclusive. The 2025 RX-8 is a statement, a reminder that innovation and tradition can live side by side, and that the joy of driving still matters. Thanks for tuning in to Scout Automobile. If you love cars that break the mold and drive the future forward, make sure to stay with us. We'll be bringing you more deep dives, reviews, and first impressions on the cars that truly matter.